We are at Namie booth with Kim, and they're selling beautiful nail art stickers. So what is special about your company?
We are a manufacturer of nail stickers in Korea, and we are making many designed nail stickers.
So can you use them on natural nails, on acrylic, on gel, on any kind of nails?
Yeah, of course, you can use on gel polish and normal polish and natural nails.
Cool. So you can just stick them right on, or do you have to use water?
You don't have to use water, just stick them on, and it's really easy to apply.
Cool. So what do you think, what are 3 top products every nail technician should have?
We have some types of stickers. We have 3D stickers and big part stickers and tattoo stickers. Yeah.
So 3D stickers, regular stickers, and what is the last one?
Tattoo stickers.
Oh, tattoo stickers. Okay, cool. So how much should you charge for a service? Let's say I want to do 2 stickers on 2 nails. How much should a nail technician charge for it?
It's about $5 for 1 nail. Yeah.
Nice. So, and what's the price for the sheets for the stickers?
It's between $5 to $16.
All right. So if you buy a sheet with $5 and you charge $5 for 2 nails, that's pretty profitable. Like you make $50.
Yeah. It's really easy to apply. Everyone do at home, and you can do it yourself.
Beautiful stickers by Namie, the Korean company. All kind of metallic stickers you can ever think of, you can find there. So they have 3D stickers. This is their website where you can find them, thenamie.com. We're going to try those Namie stickers. So what do we do first?
Yeah, the curvy, the sheet, and then pick up the tweezer, the design. Yeah. And then just stick on.
Cool.
And then
looks like a foil.
brush the top gel or
so we need to seal it with a top gel or top coat. Any of them.
You base the top gel, make the
Yeah, I have top gel over there.
better, more better.
Yeah, 4 gel nails.
And then
Okay. So how long do you need to cure it?
curing 30 seconds.
Nice. And can you use any other gel top coats? I mean, from another brand?
Of course, no problem.
Nice. Yeah, like they look like a foil or something. It doesn't look like a sticker at all to me.
And they look like real jewels. I mean,
Yeah.
look at that one right down there. That's amazing.
Awesome. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. So we have Namie and Kim with us at Namie booth.